everybody. Take a look here. What do you see? There are a bunch of holes and cracks in the vinyl sidings of this house. This can all happen because of a hailstorm, and hail can damage your house. If you don't pay attention to these holes and cracks over the course of summer and winter, heat and cold, these holes and cracks can get brittle, which you don't want. So today, in this video, we will be explaining the next quick steps to take after a hailstorm. So firstly, call your insurance company and file a claim. Once you file a claim, your insurance company will give you a deductible amount. So the amount you have to pay off, and then they will cover up the rest of the amount. But normally though, if this is a local problem, they will recommend you to hire a third-party contractor to fix up this problem and issue. And so, if you're hiring a third-party contractor, you should look for a qualified and experienced third-party contractor that can do this job efficiently and not get hurt and can do it precisely. And so after you got a qualified contractor, then you have to look at the materials that you're going to use for this job. So if you take a look here, this is Gorilla Tape, which is outdoor rated and also weatherproof. And so this tape is the best tape to use outside. It's a great tape because water egress can leak through and swell up your house. And this Gorilla Tape can patch those holes up so nothing can leak through. Water egress, rain, snow, hail, none of those can leak through. And so these are one of the tapes that you can use to patch up your house. And so after you patch it up using your contractor, then you should pay attention to these holes and cracks for a temporary amount of time. Remember, this patching up is only temporary until you get your insurance company to find an applicator which can actually seal these holes up. But till then, you have to pay attention to the holes. Pay attention to no water egress is leaking through, and keep a close eye on them whenever it rains, snows, or hails. And so when you complete all of these steps, these are the first quick steps that you can take, which will ensure no further damage to your house. Thank you for listening. See you next time.